My name is Akbar Ahmad. I'm from Escapers plus Four Seasons. I'm from Maldives. So this seaweed is a very interesting course because we as Maldives, we don't have the seagrass. So I would like to introduce seaweed as a food for the plate.
I am Randy M. Galeano from the College of Marine Sciences and Aquatic Resources, Santa Fe Campus, Santa Fe, Romblon. I decided to join this training because I just wanted to enhance my skills and knowledge in seaweed aquaculture, specifically in micropropagation, nursery operations, and for sustainable aquaculture farming. It will both benefit with my professional growth and for my community.
I've decided to join this training because seaweeds have always been a big part of my family's life. So through my research, I realized that I have to go back to our roots in seaweed farming. And I was hoping that we can bring back the production to what it once was. And I believe that by learning and adopting, we can help our community in Kinloban area.
My name is Alvin Monotilia. I'm an assistant professor in the University of San Carlos in Cebu. Okay, so my favorite part is actually on the cooking part. So it gives us actually idea on how to use Kappaphycus and other euchymatoid species or even other seaweeds as an additive to our other products.
So the favorite part was outplanting the seaweed here in this island and come into here and put in the seaweed small fragments on the tanks here, and this is a very nice place. I really enjoyed working here and then getting the knowledge from SEAFDEC. Thank you very much for the SEAFDEC as well.
Okay, my favorite part of the training was the hands-on practicum and facility tours, especially the activities in seaweed macropropagations, making seaweed-based food products, and visiting the Igang Marine Stations. So these experiences gave me both practical skills and inspiration to bring these techniques back to our community.
My favorite part, actually all of the part of the training was valuable, and my favorite part that stood up was the training lab activities and how the staffs and the trainers have trained us and guided us all through the process. And I'm very, very grateful to them for giving us a lot of knowledge and sharing their knowledge patiently.
Actually, that is a very different type of skill that I learned, especially on culturing Kappaphycus, from culturing the explants up to culturing it here in Igang Marine Station is actually new for me. So that is also very different from the ulva that I culture. It's because it's coming from spores, no, but here it's coming from the tissue culture, and at least we were able to get more than around 80% of the success rate of its culture.